Hey. What's up, y'all? Little lunchtime lot session. I haven't had a video in a minute, so maybe I'll just do like a lot thing. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Was that a full circle? That was pretty close, I think. I managed to do probably 3 or 4 full circles that I didn't record. I got some pretty close ones, but not like full. And then I found this like little parking lot where it was like a teeny little cul-de-sac, and I started doing it in there, so there's not like, damn it, not like a lot of room for mistake, and it kind of disappeared a little bit. Grinding up my new shoe. There's a circle, finally one on camera. Damn. Kick.
What up, dude?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Just watching these killers.
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
guys, huh?
That was sick, dude.
It's kind of like, it's like your balance. It takes you, it's like,
So farther foot out or farther?
turn your head with it too.
Yeah.
That's where you're going to go, with your foot, you know what I'm saying? What's up, brother?
What's up?
What's your name?
Bronson.
Steven.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Hell yeah.
I just joined the Grom Life, dude, like last week, so
It's lit, though.
dude, everyone's got nice fucking bikes, bro. Nice shit.
Yeah, I remember you. What's up, man? Just chilling.
You guys been riding around?
Yeah. What you up to?
Just riding.
Just happened by?
Yeah, Yeah. Here, Guam's fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was supposed to ride with you guys.
Huh. Yeah, these guys are from out of town.
Dude, I'm surprised I found you. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's so random.
I'm just riding by. Hey, there they are.
Let's see these circles, bro.
Yeah, they're getting there.
See it.
Dude, look at my fucking shoe.
Oh, just from dragging.
Yeah, my brand new ass shoe.
That's your brakes. That's your extra.
God damn. Almost took his face off. Jesus. Found a spare battery. Lucky me. I'll link these guys as any of the Instagrams that I get, I'll link them. Oh, damn, dude, that was almost super sick.
I was almost dope, dude. I was trying to put you the bar, but I was trying to wait.
That was pretty epic, dude. Well, you had like 4 or 5 full ones.
I'm trying.
Oh, fucking show off.